Jaya Jaya Gaurachandra Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. All glories to Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All glories to Lord Nityananda. All glories to Advaita Chandra. And all glories to all the devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ye Mata Mahaprabhu Vaise Nilachale Rajani Divase Krishna Virahe Vihvale. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thus resided at Jagannath Puri, Nilachal, he was continuously overwhelmed night and day by separation from Krishna. Swarupa Duyi Janasane Ratri Dine Rasagita Shloka Aswadane. Day and night he tasted the transcendental blissful songs and verses with two associates, namely Swarup Damodar Goswami and Ramanand Rai. Nana Bhava Uthe Prabhura Harsha Shoka Rosha Dainyodvega Arti Utkantha Santosha. He relished the symptoms of various transcendental emotions such as jubilation, lamentation, anger, humility, anxiety, grief, eagerness, and satisfaction. Sai se bhave nija shloka padiya shlokera artha aswadaye dui bandulaya. He would recite his own verses, expressing their meanings and emotions, and thus enjoy tasting them with these two friends. Kona dine kona bhave shloka pathana se shloka aswadite ratri jagarana. Sometimes the Lord would be absorbed in a particular emotion and would stay awake all night, reciting related verses and relishing their taste. हर्षे प्रभु कहे न शुन स्वरूप राम राय नाम संकीर्तन कलो परम उपाय. In great jubilation, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "My dear Swarup Damodar and Ramananda Rai, know from me that chanting the holy name is the most feasible means of salvation in this age of Kali. Sankirtana yajna kalau Krishna aradhana seita sumedha paya Krishnera charana." In this age of Kali, the process of worshipping Krishna is to perform sacrifice by chanting the holy name of the Lord. One who does so is certainly very intelligent. He attains shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. Krishna Varanam Tusha Krishnam Sangopangastra Parshadam Yajnai Sankirtana Prayer Yajantihi Sumedashaha. In the age of Kali, intelligent persons perform congregational chanting to worship the incarnation of Godhead, who constantly sings the names of Krishna. Although his complexion is not blackish, he is Krishna himself. He is accompanied by his associates, servants, weapons, and confidential companions. Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarva Anartanash Sarva Shubhodaya Krishna Premera Ullas. Simply by chanting the holy name of Krishna, one can be freed from all undesirable habits. This is the means of awakening all good fortune and initiating the flow of waves of love for Krishna. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had two very intimate associates, Swarup Damodar and Ramanand Rai, who were Lalita and Vishaka Sakhi. With them, Mahaprabhu would be relishing different subject matters, one of which is the glorification of the holy name in this chapter as we are reading. And he would also sometimes relish the pastimes of Vrindavan, Yashodanandan pastime or Shyam Sundar pastime. In this way, 18 years, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed in Jagannath Puri, sometimes reciting the verses from the Bhagavatam, sometimes singing a poetry of his own, experiencing all the Ashta Sattvica Vikar manifesting in his body. So, absorbing one's mind and heart in Krishna consciousness, uttering the holy names with the lips, and rendering devotional services of various sorts like Navavida Bhakti, living in the association of devotees, either in the holy abode or in a holy environment, is the ultimate perfection of life. So, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his Shikshashtakam says, Shunyaitam Jagat Sarvam Govinda Virahename, he says. So in this world, everybody is hankering for some material enjoyment. Somebody is hankering to earn a degree, somebody is hankering to get a job, Somebody who is hankering for a promotion, somebody is hankering for opposite sex, then somebody is hankering for popularity and fame, somebody is hankering for food. Everybody is hankering for something, but Lord Chaitanya is hankering for Govinda. Shunaitam Jagat Sarvam Govinda Virahaname. So Prabhupada says, when the Govinda want or the Govinda Viraha arises, all the other wants will be finished. All the other hankering will be finished. But all the other hankerings are repeatedly bringing us to this material world time and time again. But when the Govinda want arises, one's heart really gets purified. And to increase that Govinda want, we are chanting the holy names daily. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Although in the initial stage there are a lot of anarthas. He says, Sarva anartha nash, he's saying. By chanting of the holy name, all the anarthas will be finished and the love for Krishna will be awakened. And the more the devotee experiences Krishna, all the hankerings of material, all the material hankerings will go far, far away from the life of a devotee. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord, who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki